Hi dear, first of all, welcome to this video. My name is Hira, owner of the Youth Affiliate website. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into, how to increase SEO traffic. We'll be uncovering the common mistakes that might be holding your website back from ranking on Google and sharing some awesome tips to boost organic traffic. And guess what? We have a special treat for you at the end, so stay tuned. Let's get started. So, you have a website, but it's not getting the attention it deserves on Google? Well, you're not alone. Many people make common mistakes that hinder their page's performance in search results. But don't worry, I'm here to help. Infographics showing common SEO mistakes. Let's know. Mistake number 1, neglecting keyword research. Keywords are the lifeblood of SEO, and understanding what your audience is searching for is crucial. Skipping this step can lead to missed opportunities for ranking high on search engines. Mistake number 2, ignoring technical SEO. Technical aspects like website speed, mobile friendliness, and URL structure significantly impact your ranking. If you're not paying attention to these, you're leaving valuable traffic on the table. Mistake number 3, thin content. Google loves valuable, informative, and engaging content. If your pages lack substance, they might not get the attention they deserve. But fear not. I've got a solution for you. I've created an in-depth ebook called Dominating Google SEO. This ebook is packed with practical strategies to increase your website's visibility and attract organic traffic. And the best part? You can get this ebook for free. Just sign up with your email, and you will confirm the email. Then you will be redirected to a landing page, where you will get this ebook free. Don't miss this golden opportunity. Now that we've covered the mistakes to avoid, let's dive into the tips to bring organic traffic to your website. List of actionable tips on the screen, okay. Tip number 1, create high-quality, shareable content regularly. Engaging content attracts more visitors, and when people share it, your reach expands even further. Tip number 2, leverage social media. Share your content on various platforms to reach a broader audience and encourage interactions. Tip number 3, monitor and analyze your website's performance regularly. Understanding what works and what doesn't can help you make informed decisions to optimize your traffic. Remember, knowledge is power, and I've packed all my SEO wisdom into that free ebook I mentioned earlier. So, sign up now and get ready to transform your website's traffic. And thanks for joining me today.